Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another unboxing. This time it's another Walmart box. It's the one for youngest. Usually they used to come in the same time, but lately they don't. So I had the one, the classic one a while ago, and this is the one for younger age. I believe this one is called Trensetter, something like that. I always forget the name of this one. And from my experience with Walmart boxes, I think the one for youngest it's better than the classic one, which is for over 35. If you wanna get this subscription, it's $5 each season, every 3 months. I recommend to get the one for youngers. Put in your profile that you're 20 years old, so you'll get this one. Always, I think always was better than the classic one, than the one for old ladies. Sounds mean, right? Anyway, let's see what's in this one. The one for the classic one was not as great as I would like to be. And here is the box for youngest. And the first item in here, it's a Pantene product. And this one is intensive rescue shots, ampoule, treatment targets extreme damage, helps prevent split ends. Is this one. I'm not sure if this one is full size, but we have an expiration date 2021. And here is the size of this one. I don't think this one is a full size, but it might be 15 milliliters. So the first product, this one didn't came in the other box. Then we have a common product. This is the Curel Hydrotherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer. This is a great product. I use it first time because you know I don't read direction always. I use this one first time as a regular body cream, and I really like the way it moisturizes and hydrates skin. I am not a fan of lotion that you're supposed to use right after your shower, after the skin is wet, because I'm always cold. But this one is a great product from a drugstore. Then we have a shampoo and conditioner. This is the Garnier Whole Blends gentle shampoo and gentle conditioner with oat milk and rice cream extracts, a sample. Then we have Neutrogena Collagen Kiss. This is a lip mask. Then we have another mask in here, and this one is so a Unicorn Glow hologram mask, which is this one. We have Olay Daily Facials, Daily Hydrating Clean Grapeseed Extract, 5-in-1 Cleansing Power of a Makeup Remover, Scrub, Toner, Mask and Cleanser. Wow, lots of usage in this one. Anyway, it's a wipe. And then we have a bunch of cards regarding the products that are in the box. Not even one coupon, surprising. And of course that bag, which I am not very excited about. I don't think this is a cute bag, but this is just my opinion. So the bag came in the other box too. Some of the items are in the two boxes. Some of them are different. And I think different is the mask and if I remember right, and the Pantene serum, hair serum. So that's kind of old in the Walmart for spring. I believe this is the spring box, the one for youngest, for younger age. It's worth it for $5 and free shipping. It's not bad at all. But I always thought that Target has a better box, even with $2 more expensive. But also Walmart has those limited edition boxes that I just posted probably last week, which I think are well worth it. Comparing with the subscription, those limited edition boxes are way better. So that's kind of all for this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I will see you guys in my next video. You have an amazing day. Bye bye.